Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Rockport, Texas, kind of overcast again today. Good morning, Jamie. Just saying hi to my bird friend Jamie there. At least he's my friend whenever I have crackers or chips or bread or any horrible carbohydrate. We actually had a little water on Water Street today. I don't think it's going to rain. The weather service said it's not. We might get some mist or brief shower at some point, but this is what usually happens to us in February. We'll go through a week of just overcast skies, although they are calling for really nice weather this weekend. So sunshine and in the 70s, I believe. Actually felt a little cold sleeping last night. I kept waking up cold, and then instead of getting a warmer blanket over me, I just went back to sleep cold. It was one of those kind of evenings. Thought we might take a little cruise down Water Street, see what we can find today. There's the Reggie that they're working on here. Coming soon, the Reggie condominiums at Water Street and Bay. First block. Truck is coming behind me, maybe? Yep. So we're just going to pull over and let him go by. It'll be a little bit before he gets here. We are right in front of the Reggie. Yeah, 54 degrees, a little bit of a breeze. Can't be more than 5 or 6 miles an hour. There goes our truck. This little walkway they're putting here at the Reggie. A couple of parking spots. I know there's parking on the bow. That's not the Reggie, that's the house next to the Reggie. Okay. Well, that's something different, huh? Get your own little decorative driveway. Coming up to Hunt's Castle on the right. I know a lot of you people have good memories of Hunt's Castle. Roll down the window so we can get some natural sounds of the birds. How many dogs does this guy have? 3? Oh, that's awesome. He's got 3 dogs. That might be a lady. It's hard to tell. All bundled up. It's a poodle patrol. Good morning. Aren't they good looking? They're all done up and very well behaved. She's taking good care of them. Let's get a joke in here. Let's get one out of the way. Dear Math, it's time to grow up and solve your own problems. I'm just reading the calendar, guys. There is a lone rosette spoonbill out there. And they do have the spoonbill beak. They are white, and that pink coloring is from eating shrimp. The carotene in the shrimp. What do you call a guy with a rubber toe? What do you call a guy with a rubber toe? Roberto. That's timely. An oldie but a goodie. How much did the pirates' new earrings cost him? How much did the pirates' new earrings cost him? About $1 a buccaneer. Here's another little walkway someone's putting in. Huh. That must be the trend. When I was in HEB, I saw a good price on, if I can get it, that steak. And I'm going to leave the fat on to cook it and then see what it sizzles down to. I think that steak was in the high 60s, like $6.75, and it's a little bit over half a pound. It's a, I think it was a New York strip. Beef loin New York strip from HEB. And all I've done is put butter spray in the pan. Haven't added any seasonings or anything to it yet. Something about this foggy, damp weather just makes the pan smoke. I don't have it on very high. I have seasoned this with the Saskatchewan rub seasoning from my friend Bree at CGIS. Let's flip it over, take a look at it. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I like that. That's how I like it. That might not be how you like it. You ain't eating it. Anyone want to join me in the next 20 minutes? Get over here. I'll cut that in half. I think it's right where I want it. Cooked and burnt and raw on the inside. Nice black char on the outside. You can I need to grab the tongs. Let me grab my tongs for a minute. I really just wanted to reduce that fat down and get a sear on the sides for a minute or two. I like my meat equally burned. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Just going to put it here and, ooh, I almost dropped it right at the end. Put it here and let it rest a little bit. That's my cutting board. I need a bigger one, but this is the one I have. I have a 16.9 ounce bottle of water. We need 16 ounces, 2 cups. That might be about 15 ounces in there. And we are going to boil that. We are going to just let that boil. There's our boiling water. Here is our 75-cent bag of Idahoan buttery golden select mashed potatoes. Just add water from H-E-B. Here's how they came out. Pretty good looking. Tasting fine to me. There's my finished steak. I'm real happy with that color. Maybe a little bit overcooked. More than I like it, but still a little pink in there. And that was good. That was a good piece of meat. The rub from Bree, Saskatchewan rub. Got my potatoes. We're gonna put something on them. So on the steak, we have the blackened Saskatchewan rub, garlic, and signature spices. On the mashed potatoes, we have no salt seasoning blend. That's my food for the day, kids. Roughing it. A lot of people have stayed there over the years. Anyone have any good Hunt's Castle memories or Laguna Reef memories? There are some egrets up here on the left, but they've been real skittish. Unless you're going by slow and filming them, they've already taken off. There's a little egret doing egret stuff. I guess that's an egret. I don't know. It might be some type of oh, I'm drawing a blank on bird names this morning, guys. Ibis? Am I saying that right? You can count on my channel to find birds. I wouldn't count on my channel to identify birds. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, we've already passed one car today, or one car passed us, so you know it's a high traffic weekday here on Water Street. I'll get you a shot of this American flag. That gives you an idea how the breeze is blowing. Well, I can almost give you a shot of the American flag. There you go. Just out for a little breakfast this morning, no big deal. He's going to go use a coupon at McDonald's. I did want to thank my friend Mary. Mary sent me a really nice gift through PayPal. Thank you, Mary. I appreciate you, friend. Mary also sent me a joke, but since I've told 3 or 4 horrible jokes already today, I'm going to send save Mary's joke for another day when I need some quality material. Thank you, Mary. Coming to the end of Water Street, guys. We're supposed to get really nice weather this weekend. Hopefully the sun will be shining. I might be having a visitor. Hopefully we'll get to check in with a buddy of mine, close personal friend that I haven't met yet. I got a lot of them. A lot of people through YouTube that I consider friends that I haven't met yet. And I've got a lot of really good friends that I have met. So something will all come out of this YouTube community thing, something good. A lot of good things have happened to me through it. We're getting closer and closer to the day of my procedure. Actually, tomorrow I have to call and verify my date. I call once a week if I don't hear from them, just to let them know I'm alive and my heart is still semi-beating, and I want to remain on the list. I'd hate to get bumped because I forgot to call. That would be horrible. Coming up to Reel 'em In. That's where my friend Ernest likes to stay. Really good fishing fish and pier. And they just redid all their rooms. You know what happens? One place fixes up its pier, and then the next place has to fix up their pier. And then the next place sees those 2 nice ones, and they have to fix up their pier. Yeah, that's called peer pressure. Surprised you didn't know that. Sure, we could look at Reel 'em In to end the video, but I thought I'd show you this nice voting booth. Vote often, every day if you can. Thanks for riding along today, guys. Thanks for watching.